going to make a very nice Jamaican dish connected to the Rastafarian culture, guys. I'm going to make Ital sip. So we are going to use nothing but ground provisions like sweet potato, coconut milk, yam, cocoa or edo, and all those good stuff. Absolutely no meat. We are not using meat in this dish. So come with me and let's do it together. My name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks for coming. Thanks for the support, and I see you in the kitchen. These are all my ingredients, guys. I have the coconut milk. I was trying to use the freshly grated coconut, but I couldn't get around to it. This is my yellow yum. This is what it's looking like. You can get this. Oh, you can get all of these ingredients at the Caribbean stores. I'm gonna put some pumpkin. I bought this vegetable soup mix, sweet potato, guys. This is cocoa. Some people call it edo, but this is cocoa. I'm gonna put cocoa also in it. I have one banana here. I'm trying to just not put too much banana in it. Some pimento seeds, about like 4 or 5 or 6. I'm gonna put 1 corn in it, some carrots, and this is my seasoning, guys, my green seasoning. I have some scallion and thyme. Also, can't forget the Scotch bonnet pepper. It's right here. Now that all my ingredients are all here, I'm gonna go ahead and prep. I also going to put some dumpling, guys. What is a soup without dumpling? If you're from the Caribbean, especially Jamaica, we need that to be in it. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my beans. The broad bean, which is right here, red peas, split peas, and now that my beans are all washed, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my pressure pot right over here on the stove. So now I'll place my lid on. So my lid is on and I'm gonna allow it to pressure for at least 15 minutes or until cooked. So you want to close your pressure cooker tightly, guys. All right. It's now 15 minutes and I'm going to go ahead and check to see if my beans are ready. So as you can see, guys, the broad bean is all ready. Let's check with the red peas. Red peas ready also. So guys, this is pretty much, I cooked this 3/4 of the way. I didn't want to cook it, you know, completely. So the rest, we're gonna get this done when we put everything together in our soup. All right, so for the next quarter of the way, the peas will finally cook along with the rest of my ingredients, such as my banana, my cocoa and all those things. Okay. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start the big cooking process where we are going to put all our ingredients together. So, so now I'm gonna transfer over to my pot that I will be using to cook my vegetable soup. All right, I'm going to add some more water to my pot. So that should be good for now. So right now, the only ingredients in the pot right at this point is my peas and beans. So I'm putting my pumpkin and my carrot in my pot at this point. I want those to boil out and enrich my soup, guys. Guys, let's check on our pumpkin and carrot. As you can see, look at the color. See? We have achieved our goal. The pumpkin is all mashed out, and I can also take my spoon and just help to scratch it out. So now that we have our color, I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna put some more water also. All right, so there you go. Now the next thing I want to put in my pot is my yellow yam. I'm gonna go ahead and peel it. My ground provisions are all here. My corn, as you can see, my yellow yam is right here. My cocoa is there, banana, and ready to go inside the pot. So I'm cutting my yam into small pieces. Just like this. And you might ask why I leave them in the water, because for the yellow yam, which is right here, it's either you're gonna put it in the pot right away after peeling, or you're gonna put it in some water. Otherwise, it will oxidize, and then you're gonna get that unattractive brownish color. So at this point, I'm putting all my food in the pot. So this is my corn, cocoa or edo, sweet potato, and banana. Just one banana. I'm gonna put some garlic, like 3 cloves of garlic, some pimento seed all washed. It's about like, let's see, it's about like 8 pimento seed. 8 pimento seeds. Some thyme, just like that. This is some green onion, just wringing it so that I can release the flavor. I have 1 can of coconut milk here. I just need to shake it to get everything together. And now I'm gonna punch 2 holes in the can so I can get it out. And now I'm adding my coconut milk to my mixture. So guys, you see how everything is coming together now? Yep, this is your Ital Rastaman sip or vegetable soup, whatever you want to call it. No meat. No meat at all. So I have this Maggi vegetable mix, vegetable flavored mix. I'm gonna add this for additional flavor. So here we go guys, in case you want to get it, this is what it's looking like. It says veggie. And we're gonna dump that right in it. Give it a stir. And we are also going to give it a taste. You gotta taste your pot as you go along, guys. Alright. Tasting good so far already. We not even finished yet. Alright. I added a small amount of salt in the beginning, and that was pretty much, it was like maybe 2 teaspoons and a half of salt. Now I am going to add some dumpling in my pot. As you can see, my dumpling is all my flour. As you can see, my dough is right here. So I'm gonna put some spinners and some rounders. All right, not too big. So you can make these in whatever shape you want. It's up to you. You can make some big ones, some small ones, some flat ones. It's all about you and what you want in yours. This is like roll and press. There are spinners, you can go ahead and do this. Those of you that, you know, do not know how to go about this, if you're from the Caribbean, especially Jamaica, of course you already know how to do this. So this is for those that, you know, need to know how to go about doing this. Gonna go ahead and put some black pepper. And stir. Guys, check this out. Check this out. I guarantee you this is going to be the bomb. This is going to be the bomb. Is that how you say it? Hey. All right, I'm gonna give it a taste. This is my scotch. Drop my scotch bonnet pepper there. Guys, I don't feel like I need any more salt. You know why? All the flavors are coming together. The sweetness from the potato and the carrot. You have the corn. You have the Edo or the cocoa. All of those flavors coming together. It's coming like it's sweet. It has like a little hint of sweetness to it because of the potato and the carrot. The pumpkin is also a little bit sweet. It's not really a pumpkin like you would know in Jamaica. It's like a pumpkin squash, and I noticed that they could be very sweet. That's the whole reason why I don't like to use a whole lot of it, because I don't want it to be too much of a sweet flavor. So that's why I have to just use just a little piece of it. All right, we're gonna let this go down some more because I want it to have the right consistency, not too watery and not too thick. Just so let's leave it there and come on back, guys. If you are new here, this is the right time for you to support the channel. You can go ahead and support by liking, sharing, commenting, and even subscribing. Those of you that are new here, my name is Bean Sonia Williams. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming. Those of you who are already subscribed, thanks a lot. We are on the road to 1K subscribers. If you learn a thing or two today, guys, remember, comment. I need your comment. How do you make yours? Is it the same or you add something else to it? Let me know in the comment section. I'm also gonna turn the flame down to medium. Let it go ahead and, slowly simmer. Guys, let's go ahead and see what is going on with our pot. Wow, wow. Look at this. Look at this. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Look at this. Look at the consistency, guys. Huh? Well, I'm gonna be careful with this cash bunny pepper. I don't want to burst it. Otherwise, that would be it for my soup. So I'm gonna take it out for a few minutes.